What you missed in health and science news this week. Scientists from Pennsylvania have created a kind of antiviral gum made from an Australian pea plant. This pea plant contains a strong antiviral protein that the researchers use to reduce the viral load in patients' mouths for both influenza and herpes simplex viruses. It reduced viral loads by over 95%. Next up, a Texas federal judge struck down a Biden-era nursing home staffing mandate. The mandate would have required nursing homes to increase their staffing and have a registered nurse on premises around the clock. But the plaintiffs, nursing home trade organizations, cheered the decision on Monday. They argued that the staffing requirements were too erroneous and could have led to nursing home closures. I don't know about you, but I think nursing homes actually need more staff. Scientists made a mouse watch The Matrix, and it helped them to create the largest map of a brain to date. Scientists used a mouse that was engineered with a gene that makes its neurons glow when they're active. And then the researchers used a laser-powered microscope to record how individual cells in the animal's visual cortex lit up as it processed the images of the matrix flashing by. Then they analyzed a small piece of brain tissue and used a special tool that shaved it into more than 25,000 layers. And with an electron microscope, they took a ton of high-resolution images. And then Princeton University scientists used AI to trace all that wiring and paint each of the individual wires in different colors so that they could identify them individually. Very cool project. In other news, CMS dramatically raised payments to Medicare Advantage plans. They finalized payment rates for 2026, which were significantly higher than what regulators in the Biden administration had sketched out. And it was a 5.1% benchmark increase, which should accelerate the margin recovery for privatized Medicare plans. Unfortunately, this only applies to Medicare Advantage plans and does not apply to regular Medicare. Last up, Caliber SAGS receives FDA approval to test SCAR-T therapy in patients with autoimmune diseases. CAR T cell therapy has demonstrated curative potential in select autoimmune diseases by creating a system-wide immune reset, which improves patients' quality of life and reduces the need for lifelong immunosuppressants. Normally, a process is used to reduce the patient's immune system, but this particular CAR T cell therapy that they asked for FDA approval to try was designed to avoid the issues because it eliminates the need for that. So it can reduce side effects and potentially make the treatment more accessible to a broader patient population. That's it for this week. See you next week.